Good boy. This is day 6, 6.1, counting in te reo Māori. Here we go. Kia ora anō e hoa. Welcome back to day 6 of our reo Māori journey together. Today, we're focusing on numbers and learning how to ask and answer questions about quantity using e here as our sentence structure. By the end of today's lessons, you'll be able to ask questions like how many and answer with numbers in te reo Māori. Plus, we'll go over key vocab to help you talk about quantities. But before we jump into the e here sentence structure, we need to make sure that you can count in te reo Māori. So, let's start with counting to 10. I'll say the number in te reo Māori and then I want you to repeat it after me. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. Ka pai. Now, if you want to count beyond 10, you start with the kupu, tekau mā, followed by the next number. So, for example, 11 would be tekau mā tahi, 10 plus 1. 12 would be tekau mā rua. 13 would be tekau mā toru, and so on and so forth, all the way up to 19, which would be tekau mā iwa. Now let's practice counting in tens. This is really simple. You start with the number, followed by the word tekau. For example, rua tekau is 2 tens, 20. Toru tekau, 3 tens. Whā tekau, 40. Rima tekau, 50. Ono tekau, 60. Whitu tekau, 70. Waru tekau, 80. And iwa tekau, 90. Let's go over those and practice them together. Repeat after me. Rua tekau, toru tekau, whā tekau, rima tekau, ono tekau, whitu tekau, waru tekau, and iwa tekau. Now let's talk about how to count numbers between the tens. And it's very similar to what we did with tekau mā tahi, tekau mā rua, and so on. You just take the tens number and you add the word mā plus the next number. So 21 would be rua tekau mā tahi. 32 would be toru tekau mā rua. 76 would be whitu tekau mā ono, and 98 would be iwa tekau mā waru. Let's practice some of these numbers together. You ready? Repeat after me. Rua tekau mā tahi. 21. Toru tekau mā rua. 32. Whā tekau mā toru. 43. Rima tekau mā whā. 54. And last but not least, ono tekau mā rima. 65. Easy, eh? Ka pai. So now you know how to count from 1 all the way up to 99 in te reo Māori. We'll take a breather there and just let that sink in. There's a lot of technical thinking there, and it might be a little bit overwhelmed. Here are a few numbers that I want you to try and translate before we jump into our next lesson. Have a go, and I'll give you the answers at the beginning of our next lesson. Your numbers to translate are 15, 15, 37, 37, and 91, 91. Let's see how you got on at the beginning of our next lesson. Kia kaha.